Students, now we will do some essay writing, and the topic is my childhood memory. I have written for you. You have to copy it in your notebooks, and I have used very simple and easy sentences. Childhood is the happiest period in a person's life. I am 10 years old now, but I remember my childhood memories very well. One of them is the day when we visited museum. At that time, I was 6 years old. I was excited to see the ancient swords, garments, ornaments, coins, bows and arrows. The items on display had tags and descriptions. Paintings, pictures, and clay models were exhibiting ancient craftsmanship. The huge statue of Queen Victoria was laid in one room of the museum. There were old manuscripts of Holy Quran in another room. This visit gave me a lot of information. This is my favorite childhood memory, and I can never forget it.